Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to share location with family using Find My on iPhone 17 Pro Max. So you can easily share your location with family using Find My application, and here's how to do it step by step. First of all, you have to open Find My application on your home screen, and as you can see at the bottom, it is divided into 4 sections. Those are people, devices, items, and me, and you need to open people section specifically. So this is the page where you can manage all your location sharing. So you can see people who you can track on Find My application, and also who can track you. So all I'm gonna do here is tap this plus icon and then select option Share My Location. So now you need to type in the name, phone number, or even Apple ID of the family member that you want to share with your location. Or also you can tap this plus sign and it will redirect you to contacts, from which you can also select the specific person. So let's select this one. This is contact information of this person, and at the bottom side of your screen you want to press Share My Location button, and of course choose how long to share. So share indefinitely until end of the day and for 1 hour. Let's select for 1 hour, and you should see this red line that says Stop Sharing My Location. So if you see it, that means that you are currently sharing your location with this person. And if I go back here to my people section, you can see that I have added this new person to my Find My application, and now they can see me. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.